The documents, including a diplomatic note, official arrest warrant, and supporting materials from the U.S. authorities, were handed over to Magistrate Judy Latchman as the case resumed before a packed courtroom. The submission forms part of Washington's formal bid to extradite the father and son duo to face an 11-count indictment in Florida tied to allegations of mail and wire fraud, money laundering, and tax evasion linked to gold exports. Leading the U.S. legal team were King's Counsel Terrence Williams, along with Celine Dirick, Herbert McKenzie, and Glenn Hanuman, who confirmed that additional evidence will be presented as proceedings advance.
Well, we did the disclosure, standard disclosure, and we are just adjourned for further case management. So we ready to do the commission proceedings. More routine.
What are some of the documents you handed over to the court?
We want to do regular diplomatic documents and case evidence documents, which are standard in an extradition match.
And how will that aid you in your position to advance before the court?
It's all part of the process. It's a regular standard work today.
And so just to clarify, you're representing the U.S. government.
Yes,
All four of you, including Mr. Hanneman?
indeed.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
The prosecution contended that the materials were presented to confirm the authenticity and legality of the U.S. request under the extradition treaty between Guyana and the United States, which remains in force through Guyana's treaty arrangements with the United Kingdom. Both Nazar and Azruddin Mohamed remain on a $150,000 bail each, as Magistrate Latchman adjourned the matter to November 24, 2025 for a report. Senior counsel Roysdale Ford, representing the Mohammeds, added that the defense is still reviewing the extensive materials, but is demanding full disclosure of all documents in the prosecution's possession.
We have not been able to study the disclosure, but the prosecutors already have been people that you need to make further disclosures. We believe that this is part of a larger process of the amount of documents we will have. We will need to study the information. Martin speaks for the 24th this month for them to make further disclosure. At that time, we will be in a better position to review all the documents and to advise our clients for it. We're asking the prosecutors to review all the documents that they have in their possession, which will be related to this matter. We have no idea what they have in their possession. And that's part of the prosecutorial function to make full and frank disclosure. But we would have no idea what they have in their possession. Certainly at this stage, we intend to stand by those constitutional issues and continue to make the argument that we would like to have those matters before. As part of the entire process of disclosure, we would need to look at it, be grateful for the opportunity, but they have not made full disclosure. We believe that the documents that we will make available to us further enhance our arguments for the disclosure and in relation to the request for constitutional reform.
The father and son duo were arrested on October 30, 2025, following a formal extradition request from the U.S. government. The request was made under Section 4(1)(a) of the Fugitive Offenders Act, Chapter 1004, as amended by Act No. 10 of 2024, which extends Guyana's obligations under its treaty with the United Kingdom. The Mohammeds are facing a sweeping U.S. federal indictment on seal on October 6, 2025, in the Southern District of Florida, charging them with wire fraud, mail fraud, money laundering, conspiracy, aiding, abetting, and customs violation tied to an alleged $50 million gold export and tax evasion scheme. The indictment alleged that between 2017 and June 2024, the pair conspired to defraud the government of Ghana by evading taxes and royalties on over 10,000 kilograms of gold, falsifying custom documents, and reusing export seals to conceal unpaid duties. Investigators also cite the attempted shipment of $5.3 million in uncleared gold seizure at Miami International Airport, along with the under-invoicing of a luxury vehicle worth over $680,000 as further evidence of their alleged criminal conduct. In June 2024, the U.S. Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control (OFAC) sanctioned both Mohammed's enterprise and its principals for tax evasion, gold smuggling, and money laundering. Following the sanctions, the U.S. government formally notified Guyanese authorities through diplomatic channels and began preparing a comprehensive extradition dossier. The case, one of the most closely watched in recent months, has been adjourned to November 24, 2025, when prosecutors are expected to present further disclosure to the court. The Attorney General's chamber confirmed that the proceedings are being conducted in accordance with Guyana's extradition framework and in full compliance with the Constitution and all relevant laws. Adana Dorrick, TV9 News.